To fill the holes, I've got some epoxy, West System 105 resin, and 206, which is the slower speed hardener. One pump from each dispenser should give the correct ratio. Oops, this here has not been primed, so it's going to give me a false amount. So I've got to go here until I get a steady stream like that of hardener. So this hardener I can't mix in because it's going to be off. And if it's off, it's going to set either too slow or too fast. Oh, again, this thing is giving mischief. There we got, okay, one long clean. You little stinker. There we go. One long continuous stroke of the hardener. The other resin is pumping out fine, but this is not. So alrighty, got that in. We're going to put in 1 drop of Trans-Tint Vintage Maple, and a little goes a long way. Mix that up until we get it all together there. Having the tint is kind of a nice way to make sure that it is mixed up thoroughly. When we have a nice consistent even tone, we have a nice consistent mixed up epoxy pour. All right, so it's a nice light coffee brown. Okay, the good thing about this West system with the slow hardener is I've got at least about 30 minutes of time to do my pour. I'll try to get it in that crack there, a little bit in the center. And in order to get it to flow a little bit better, and there's these little bubbles here, just a little heat gun action. We'll make this a little thinner and get these bubbles to pop. Let that set for a little bit. And pour a little bit on this edge. And you can see that it's soaked down into that crack. So let me add a little bit more in there. I've got some clear packing tape on the back side. I didn't want to do that, but we did it. And this third one here also shows quite a bit of air working its way back up, and I'm just going to have to pop these bubbles and keep pouring more in. Hopefully this will do the trick. For these little dribbles here, paper towel with some acetone will take away vast majority of this, and then the planer and sanding will take care of the rest. And if this does not work out, that's how much these boards cost. So hopefully this is not a terrible, costly mistake. We will see.